Hi there, Bob here from Prohostcloud, and today we are going to be talking about speed page and how you can test for it, how you can improve it, and so forth and so on. Speed page is very important for several reasons. About 60% of the people who will be visiting your website will be mobile device users. Research has shown that if a page takes more than 5 to 6 seconds long to load, a mobile device user will abandon that page. So it's extremely important to have fast load times, page speed. If you don't, you could be losing business. Now, let's say you owned a business such as, it doesn't matter, you owned a business and you're advertising on Facebook, Google, YouTube, Bing, Yahoo, whatever, and you're advertising and they're starting to get results and they're sending them to your page. Okay, if those load times take 8, 10, 12 seconds, those people aren't going to be around to buy whatever you're trying to sell them. So it's extremely important to have quick load times. With that further ado, let's get into the video. All right, once again, we're at Prohostcloud's homepage, and if you want to log in, there's two ways to do it. You can go here, or you can come to the pages and go down to login. If you're on a mobile device or a tablet, this sign won't, or this login won't show. You'd have to go down to this login. So we're just going to log in. Once you're here, you log in. You go to your clients area. Okay. Once you're in your clients area, you go into your control panel. And we're going to stay there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to search under GT metrics. Okay. Once you find GT metrics, you're going to click into that, and voila. All right. The first thing I want to do now is we're going to be testing our Prohostcloud blog, Prohostcloud demo blog. And the way you do that, well, we'll just copy, Control C. Bam. And we'll go into GT metrics, control up, we already have one, control host or prohostclouddemo.com, and we are going to test this site. And hopefully we can see how fast the page is going now. This part takes a minute or two. It's nothing majorly long, but I feel like we should be playing Jeopardy music. Da 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 da. Yeah, just kidding. But anyways, it does take a few seconds, and be patient. You see analyzing with Lighthouse, generating report, and here's our report. Wow. Okay. This website's performance is already pretty good. We have, and this is hosted from Prohostcloud. Our performance is at 95%, and our load time is 1.3. And our top issue, eliminate render and blocking resource. But at the moment, with a 1.3 second load time, I probably wouldn't mess too much with this. But anyways, that's not the point of this video. I wanted to show you how to compress a file with gzip. So let's go ahead, and we're going to go to our Prohostcloud account. All right, so here we are. You see this is our Prohostcloud account. Go into the control panel, and once you're in the control panel, we're just going to double verify that it's our Prohostcloud demo. All right, and then we're going to scroll down to files and file manager. You're going to click into your file manager, and it's going to... Okay, so here we are at the file manager, okay, and you're going to want to find the public HTML file. You can find it here on the left side under all the way towards the bottom, or you can scroll down and find it here. You can open that file either way. Once you're here, you're going to want to look for your ht.access file. Once you have your ht.access file, well, first of all, you may not see it right away because it can be a hidden file. You'd have to go into settings, click settings, and then go down to and check the box, show hidden files, and then hit save. And then it should show for you if you don't see it right away. Once you have the ht.access file found, highlight it, right click it, and then hit edit. the next thing we're going to do, okay, it's going to give you a warning. Yeah, you mess with something in here, it could screw up your website. We know that, but this is pretty safe. We're not going to worry about that. Edit. All right. The next, so this is what your ht.access file looks like. And what we're going to want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom. All right. I'm going to bring up my other browser and I'm going to show you. Here's that GTmetrix we were just on. And if you go to gtmetrix.com/enable -text -compression.html, it'll bring you to this page where you can get this how to enable text compression. Okay, so here's the code for that. You're going to want to highlight this code from left to right all the way to the bottom. Make sure everything's encompassed, and then Control-C or right-click and copy. Once you have that, you can minimize your screen and then come back to your ht.access file. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Go to line 143. Scroll down another line to 144. Well, whatever line you're on, and then hit Control-V. And see how it added, after NWordPress, it added this. This is the script that's going to help compress your files. Come over here to save changes. Make sure you do this or it won't work. Save changes and hit OK. And then once you do that, hello, okay? You have successfully changed your file, and you've added a compression file that will help reorganize your CSS files. And what it'll do is it'll take a lot of different files and put them into one file, making your HTTP requests less. It'll have less requests, making the page load faster, or giving the page the opportunity to load faster. All right, so back over to our GTmetrix. And as you can see, quite frankly, if you get a 1.3 second load time, I would not mess with this page. And I'm going to tell you that this is a WordPress built-in page builder I used for this particular site. It's called Gutenberg. It's a block builder. It's not super intuitive at first, but once you get used to it, it's not too bad. But it's very lightweight, and it's already built in WordPress, so it helps speed up your website. I will, just for the heck of it, see if that improved. Okay, we were at 1.3 seconds. Let's see if we're going to retest and see if that improved our site. Oh, we reached our limit again. Here we go. Anyways, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to Pingdom real quick. So we're just going to add Pingdom to it's not the same, but I want to see. You can go use either one, Pingdom, speed test, what have not. I just want to see if it improved our time at all. So we're going to go there. All right. So we're going to load prohostclouddemo.com. That's the same website as we were checking here. And we're not going to test from Frankfurt, Germany. That'll be too far away. We'll do Washington, D.C. And we're going to start test. And once again, we're going to run our Jeopardy music. Da, 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 da. Just kidding again. Anyways, it's analyzing, checking out our pages, our download speeds, and so forth. And while it's testing here, we were in the queue actually. And now if you look, it's actually now running the test. All right, so this should be done in just a second. And once it's done, I just want to kind of scroll down. And we had a little bit less of a grade here on Pingdom. We have an 89. But look at our load time, 3.17. So we went from Pingdom, what were we at? I'm sorry, I got rid of it. Anyways, we were like at 1.7 seconds. We are now down to 3.17 milliseconds. That's basically 1/3 of a second. Pretty quick load times. All right, so that's the video for today. You see how you can add that compression code. It will help combine files. By doing that, you're going to speed up your page load times, which will ultimately help your business. Just one quick note, if you're interested in getting high speed, no nonsense, reliable web hosting, check out Prohostcloud. And if you do, if you want a gold or platinum package, I will give you 50% off. The first 50 customers that use the discount code, discount 50, all lowercase, discount 50, you'll get 50% off any 1, 2, or 3-year gold or platinum plans. I want to thank you for watching this video, and have a great evening.